What the hell is wrong with you grabbing on her like that?
You need to get up out my face.
You want the police?
Who the hell you not?
I'm not afraid of her.
Bitch, you should be. Bitch, you should be.
Work these girls and make them disappear.
It's that Black Lightning dude.
Now you just pissed me off.
These ain't no ordinary girls, man.
Hurry! Come on! Come on! Hurry up! Put on the camera! Come on! Hurry! Hurry up! On the ground, bitch! You stay. You keep doing what you're doing. I said on the ground! Are you dead, bitch? I will shoot you! You dead? Get down! Get down!
What about the way you love me?
Tell me, sister, don't moan.
And the 100 tried to send a message.
Jesus said, Mary, don't weep, don't weep. Tell your sister not to moan. Don't moan, don't moan. It's my breathing. Okay. All right.
Well, I'm not gonna call off my protest.
And quite frankly,
Look, somebody has to do something because all of this policing and marching and praying, it hasn't changed anything. Oh, I got your green light. Who's the bitch now? Whoa, what are you doing?
got this.
Truck, see what I can find.
What was that?
I don't know. It was close by. Sounded like an explosion.
Can you tap into the cameras near my location?
Grace, if I could make people who did bad things pay for what they did, That'd be a good thing, right? Right? Yeah.
She's on fire. Damn right she's on fire. I tell them how they gon' get it.
Damn it. All this ass. I need something that really fits.
She's on fire.
How do you feel about latex? Yeah. Yeah, I like this.
Red would be great.
Nope. I think I got it.
Everything's in there.
Listen, I cannot thank you enough.
Like you are about to be the fiercest and most fabulous superhero on the block.
Shoot!
Come with me.
Get away from me.
Get on the floor! Get on the damn floor!
What? You thought he missed?
Let her go.
Your ocular response are normal. Your concussion's healing. Let me check your ribs again.
Mom, I told you I'm fine.
My God. You're healing already.
This suit is gonna be state-of-the-art, Lynn. It'll keep Anissa safe.
I just hope you're not making my baby a casket.
This is for you.
For me. You're making me a suit?
I'm making it with a breathable Kevlar weave, so even when you're not bulletproof, you'll still be bulletproof. It's gonna be fireproof and water-resistant. It's gonna have state-of-the-art neuro-interface technology stitched into the lining, so I'll be able to monitor your vitals from here. I'll run you through all the bells and whistles when it's done. Just give me a little while to get it together.
Okay.
And our search for Black Lightning has expanded to include another 5 officers.
She was a good woman, did a lot for us. Back, all he's doing is beating up on young black men. Why you think he hiding behind that mask? And like, I understand fighting 100.
Got you, old man. Yeah.
Urban mix. And you probably broke his ankle and maybe gave him a concussion.
The flag on the TV.
You ready? Brace yourself. Hold your breath. This.
We are getting close to shutting it down. But since the police will be looking for me,
Hey!
you can't be startled. Ever. You have to see into the shadows, look around corners, because if you breathe at the wrong time, you die. Got it?
You ready?
Yep.
Urban crowd.
All right.
Whoa. How much force do you need?
Okay. Okay, maybe I could have used a little less.
No, wait. Wait, when you power up, are you susceptible to radiation?
I don't know.
Chemicals?
I don't know.
Okay, what about water? Are you like a witch? Do you sink or can you swim?
I don't know.
You don't know a lot.
Wait.
I told you!
Man, I could tell. He didn't know.
Stop.
Okay. Fine. I'll show you. I'm thunder. See, you're not crazy.
Anything to protect you. This is for you.
About time.
Black girl magic, she do wonders. Wherever lightning, there's thunder. Her stay solid, she ain't running. I'm sorry I'm late. Black girl magic, she do wonders. Uncle Danby gave it to me.
Shots to finish.
That don't sound right. Just wait 1 second. Started flowing way out in the supposed to turn the ride. That don't sound right. Just wait 1 second. That don't sound right. Hold you down. Supposed to
take your buck, that shot, and I'm better brace yourself. Right now, strip for me, baby, strip for me. I'm dropping, till I take your buck, that shot, and I'm.
Stay back, man.
Think you are? You can't take
No,
care of
Anissa.
Dad.
Anissa? No.
Oh, get back into school. Take care of everyone. Anissa.
Don't let anything get between you and the hologram, or people will realize it's not really him.
Okay, I got it.
I'll turn it off for now. Get as much attention as you can.
I know. Go.
Anissa, your dad...
Metahuman known as Thunder has been packaged. Reel her in.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're not going anywhere.
One child grows up to be somebody that they call us heroes, but the real heroes are you. The people who, despite the everyday struggles of life, continue to find hope, meaning, and purpose in what can be a challenging world.
Mom loves the both of them. You see, it's in the blood. Both kids are good to mom. Blood's thicker than the mud. It's a family affair.
We've been given a gift, a blessing from God, and we intend to use it to protect this city and its people.
Oh, I can't be your Batman, cause I be robbing. I don't want no locked ass bitch, give me noggin. Why you laughing?